मेरे पास आज रास बोल्ड है, मेरे पास आज रास बोल्ड है। आज मेरी स्किन इतनी ब्राइट है, आज मेरी स्किन इतनी सॉफ्ट है। आज मेरे पास आज रास बोल्ड है, मेरे पास आज रास बोल्ड है।
Welcome to the world of Rasbold. Rasbold, a sense of oneness, apna anubhuti. Today we're talking about hair care regimen because every time I talk about your skin, you worry about your hair too, right? So hair are the most important part of your beauty. If you just ignore your hair and just look after your skin, it's not going to take a good look, because if you have very less hair on your scalp, it does not look good. You look agey, you look something, girls like hairs. So always you have to keep your hair clean, keep your hair healthy, hydrated. So what will we do? Today we will talk about all these things. Today we'll be talking about what shampoo you will be using, because every time you shampoo, you use a harsh shampoo, your scalp gets dehydrated, your scalp gets hurt, because the roots are very tiny. So you have to take care of your roots of your hair. That is the most important part of your hair, right? And more than that, you have to take care of your scalp, because that's the base of your hair. So these two things, scalp and roots, are very important. So taking care of your hair is basically taking care of your scalp and roots. That is the first option of your hair care system. So when you are taking care of your hair, you will be using a proper shampoo which is sulfate, paraben, silicone and artificial color free. Why will I tell you that? Because these artificial colors, these sulfate, parabens, silicones, these actually lays a deposition on the roots on your scalp, which will not let your scalp breathe, number one. Number two, it will generate two infections. Number three, it will generate two small acne type pimples on your hair, on your scalp, the roots, because the sebum wants to comes out from the roots, from the pores of your scalp, but the layer is formed on your scalp that will not let that sebum or the sweat come out from your scalp. So what you have to do is clean your scalp every 3 to 4 days. Obviously, if you want to clean your scalp every day, that's quite natural, you can do that. But again, remember about the shampoo, because when you remember about the shampoo, if it is not harsh, if you are using it like previously, our old age people used to use lots of things. They used to use even Ganga Methi on their hair, I heard so. I don't know, I have never used it, so but you must not use all those things, though now all are polluted and everything is, what, I don't want to come on live and tell you everything. So I just talking about use a proper soft shampoo, not a harsh one, not with sulfate, paraben, silicone and colors, right? So you are using a shampoo. Our shampoo is sulfate, paraben, silicone and artificial color free. You can see the color of the shampoo. It is basically the color is of the herbs. See the herbs used in this shampoo, it's different. So use it and see the difference. It has no silicones, no artificial colors. It has 9 herbs in it. So what happens when you use this shampoo, you will feel the difference in your hair. And then you use a proper conditioner. And why will we use a conditioner? We actually, just now I told, the length of your hair has no life, only the root and the scalp has life. So for the rest of your hair, you need to use a conditioner to actually keep your hair conditioned, soft and silky. So just go with our Rasbold 9 herbs conditioner. You can imagine a 9 herbs conditioner Rasbold can provide you. So 9 herbs conditioner, just use and see the difference of a 9 herbs conditioner. It has apple cider vinegar, it has 9 herbs, it has like jojoba oil, wheat germ oil, tea tree oil, like monjishtha, Jaba, Methi, Amla, Shikakai, Jotamanchi. Like these lots of herbs and oils are used to make this one conditioner. So you can feel the difference when you use a conditioner. It has apple cider vinegar also, because apple cider vinegar, it has, okay, one thing I must tell you between my words, that apple cider vinegar, don't use it directly on your scalp because you don't know how to use it. It is very risky when you use it normally just in water and all. You can have a gray hair, because someone say use lots of nimbu, use lots of apple cider vinegar, you will have no dandruff and all these stories. Don't go to this because you don't know the measurement, you don't know the amount, you don't know how to use it. Please don't use it, your hair will start graying. So here we have used it in a proper balancing way, and these are all pH balanced product. These are all tested product, all are tested products, so you can use it. These are GMP certified and Ayush approved. All are ISO approved and IF approved, so you don't need to worry about our products. All our products are chemical free and not harmful at all. So use shampoo and a conditioner and see the difference. Less video is going too long, so next we'll go on the next video. Till then, bye bye.